it's Hannah with WTI. Do you like some hot, steamy, foamy milk in your coffee in the morning? I know I do. And Casimhu has this milk frother and steamer that has made that so easy for me to do on my own in my own kitchen every morning. All I have to do is add milk, turn it on, select the mode that I want depending on what kind of steamed milk or foam I want. Leave it alone. It starts automatically. It heats, it foams, it beeps when it turns off, and I'm ready to go. I just pour that into my cup of coffee and it's delicious. I've been really impressed with how well this does foam. It's recommended to use a high fat content milk, but I use a milk alternative, usually almond or oat milk, and it does really good at even turning that into foam, which can sometimes be an issue. It also is a great hot chocolate maker. Pour in some milk and some chocolate chips or milk, cocoa powder, and sugar. Turn it on, and you will have some of the best hot chocolate you have ever had. They've made it so easy to clean. You can just pull out that spinner on the inside, and then the pot and the lid can go straight into your dishwasher. So if you're looking for a way to enjoy that cup of coffee even more in the morning, I highly recommend trying this milk frother and steamer by Casimhu. But that's just my point of view.